Hey guys, do you want to supercharge your Shopify store without writing a single line of code? Welcome to Shopify App Store, your one-stop shop for tools that add everything from marketing boosts to automation magic. Let's explore how to navigate and pick the best apps for your store. So, step 1 is accessing the Shopify App Store. From a Shopify dashboard, click on the apps icon just right here. Now click on Apps and Sales Channel Settings and click on Shopify App Store button at the top. Now, this opens thousands of apps designed to help every part of your business. The App Store is organized by category like marketing, sales, inventory management, and customer support. You can use these filters to quickly find what fits your current needs. Step 3 is searching for apps. Got a specific needs? Use the search bar at the top and, for example, you can type in dropshipping, hit enter, and Shopify will show you all the applications related to dropshipping. You can choose any one of them and install it on your store. You can also type in email marketing or product reviews to find apps specialized in those areas. You can click on any app to see screenshots, feature lists, pricing, and user reviews. Pay close attention to ratings and feedback, and real user experience is gold. Now, if you found the one you like, hit the app, click on install, and this will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you'll have to click on install button again and it will be instantly installed on your store. So most apps have free plans and trials, so you can test before you commit. Now, back in your Shopify dashboard under apps, you will see all the installed apps. So this is Shopify dashboard. Under apps, you will see all the installed apps just right here. You can configure settings, update preferences, or remove the apps if they are not working out. Now, too many apps can slow your store down. So prioritize apps that solve your biggest pain points. Also look for apps that integrate smoothly and have good support. The Shopify App Store is like a toolbox full of superpowers. Used wisely, apps help you automate tasks, boost sales, and create a better shopping experience, all without coding. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.